All right, it's time for another school update. Family surveys are due this week. Look in your email, or your parents can certainly go online to the Washoe County School District main website in order to get them. Now, you're going to be able to enter Pine Middle School next week, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, May 27th through 29th. There will be multiple connected calls coming out, emails coming out, but I do want to point out 8 a.m. to noon are the only times. You can do a drive up for your materials to be picked up by you, or you can walk up. There will be no entry to the school, and when you pick up your materials, what they've done is they've gone into your locker, they've emptied everything out, put it in a bag. Please, if you're going to send your parents to pick your stuff up, give your parent your locker number so they have that reference, in addition to the advisory teacher just in case. You'll also drop off your textbooks, any library books, instruments that you have rented. And of course, because of safety for everyone involved, you cannot drop off a paper packet. And it's been explained many times that all packets are to be submitted electronically, either email, picture, and text, or through Teams. Don't forget we have a digital talent show going on. It's open to everyone at Pine. If you're going to do a video, there is a 2-minute limit. Please, you will go into Teams, you will post your entry on the Talent Show Teams page, but if you're having a hard time with that, send me the material and I'll be more than happy to upload it. I've done that for a couple of students. You will need to observe appropriate conduct. Washoe County School District does have guidelines on how to be appropriate electronically, and of course in all materials submitted for school. This will be due May 29th, and of course there will be fabulous prizes. Now for the rest of the year, you still need to check in with your advisory teacher weekly. Next week is a 4-day week because of Memorial Day, so check in next Tuesday. The last week of school, June 1st, you need to still check in. Teachers will still be reaching out to contact you. This is still part of your permanent record. The packets are due by May 29th again, some form electronically that I've discussed earlier. There will be no Zoom meeting this Monday in honor of Memorial Day. And in fact, there will be no Zoom meetings after Tuesday, June 2nd. So again, Wednesday, June 3rd on, the Zoom meetings are over because teachers have got to focus on getting your grades done. No report card will be mailed to families this year. Instead, parents will be able to access your grade using Infinite Campus. If they're having a hard time with that, contact me. I'm more than happy to reset their password. All assignments are going to be due next Friday, May 29th. Teachers have to have this entered by June 3rd. We have to have it posted by the end of day June 5th. So expect June 6th to be the time that you can see your grades and how they've been modified by the distance learning materials starting June 6th. We desperately don't want to give an F, but you still got to do the work. Grades will not magically come up. You still have to do the work. If you're unable to submit traditionally or you're having problems, contact the teacher. I've had situations where I've discussed the skills or content in a lesson. I felt the kid understood it, gave him credit for it. So reach out. There will be a big team raffle if you completed all your lessons. It's going to be due by May 29th. That means if you completed all your social studies distance learning lessons, all 21 lessons there, all of your math, all of your ELA, all of your science lessons. That's a lot of work, but that's also 4 raffle tickets, and these will not be $5 or $10 cards. These will be big prizes. So please, 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 let's make sure we get all our stuff in by next Friday. One of the reasons you're doing it, of course, is extra credit. I've got up on the screen here, as I've discussed in previous weeks, how I'm going to divvy up that extra credit. These items are non-negotiable. Please keep in mind, simply hitting turn in Teams does not give you credit for anything. Incomplete work does not give you credit for anything. Copied work from online or another student doesn't give you credit for anything. So be honest. If you're having problems, reach out, let us know. Today, of course, or this week, we're going to be doing a scavenger hunt, and I really do encourage you guys to hop on to the Zoom meeting this Wednesday. Just trying to make your last 2 weeks fun. If you have any questions, please reach out and continue to be safe. We'll see you later.